Welcome to the Germ Factory.
I'm very interested in who's in the daycare, what microbes are floating around the air of a daycare center, and specifically my SLOAN project has three objectives. First, we want to see how seasons or seasonality changes the bacterial microbiome of the air. Second, we want to see how seasonality changes the viral microbiome in the air. And finally, we want to understand how the built environment might affect the microbiome.
AJ's opening up the intake filter return for the HVAC system. He's pulling out the old filter, which is MERV14. Let's compare the colors. You can see it's a little darker than the new one on the left.
Air passes through an HVAC filter, and we're able to collect a very, very large sample size. And then we're going to utilize 16S sequencing to study the bacterial communities and metagenomics to study the viral communities in the air.
What we're doing here is we're developing detection methods that will allow us to detect the concentrations of flu virus in the indoor environment at very low concentrations. To do this, I'm developing what are called single-stranded DNA aptamers. These essentially will act as probes, much like antibodies would, and we'll attach them to a sensor, and then we can use this sensor to determine the concentrations of this virus in the ambient atmosphere.